Voting is underway for the fourth phase of Lok Sabha elections. Moderate polling has been reported so far from different constituencies in this phase. Campaigning is in full swing for the remaining three phases of Lok Sabha elections. Senior political leaders are crisscrossing the states to hold public meetings and roadshows to garner support for their parties. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) today declared the results of Class 12. 87.98% of students have passed the board exams. The Indian Navy ship Kiltan reached Cam Ranh Bay in Vietnam yesterday. The visit is part of the operational deployment of the Indian Navy's Eastern Fleet. In IPL cricket, Royal Challengers Bengaluru defeated Delhi Capitals by 47 runs at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru to keep the playoff hopes alive.